So, Doc, the Mount Dora Ghost Tour has been in Mount Dora for tell me how long, and tell me a little bit about what you do on your tours.
We're technically, the evolution of something that started back in 2009 called Mount Dora Ghost Walk. We kind of filled a void that emptied up in 2018. So since 2018, we've been running Mount Dora Ghost Tours in some fashion or another. So, close to 6 years here now we've been running in various formats here in downtown Mount Dora. The one that we're most proud of and is most recent is the Donnelly House here, which is really, if you ask us, the most historic home in Mount Dora. And it is a nationally listed historical landmark to boot. We do lots of events around town. We partner with lots of different merchants, restaurants. But here at the Donnelly House, Mount Dora Lodge 238, the Freemasons have given us access that's really unprecedented, anywhere you go to this national historical landmark and Masonic temple. And we do lots of stuff. Dinner with a vampire, ghost hunt in here that's a 2-hour-long, thermal imaging cameras, EMF detectors, all that fun stuff. Dinner with a vampire. Did I already say that one? Probably. Dinner with a vampire. We've got our Monster Masquerade Ball, which takes place at the Lakeside Inn, the oldest continuously operated hotel in Florida. And right now in the Donnelly House, we have a 30-minute long interactive, immersive haunted house experience called Menagerie of Horrors. We're really proud of our products, and we're really proud of our city here in Mount Dora, and we like to showcase it as best we can. Yeah, the monsters that we bring to all of our experiences and events are pretty high-end, pretty scary. Grub, can you come here for a moment? Come say hi to Rachel. Come in, come here. Sit, Grub. Sit. Grub is our mascot, You'll find him at a lot of our events, and he represents the company very well. He's a good, a living being that well represents. No, you're fine. I understand. But yeah, we're Mount Dora Ghost Tours. We like to say here in Mount Dora, we own the night. When it comes to the nighttime, we take care of all of that stuff. And here at Mount Dora Ghost Tours, we make screams come true.
So guys, it's not just for Halloween. It's 365 days a year, and you got to come check them out. What a great time. Fun. Believe it or not, we've got ghosts in Mount Dora. Thanks, Doc.